Here I have LG Q6 and let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your welcome panel. As you can see here, you can choose your desired language. This is the full list of available languages that you can use on your device. So in my case, let me choose English from United States, for example. You may also check accessibility right here and make some changes with accessibility settings. You may also choose emergency and make some emergency call if you need something. If not, let's go next by using that arrow right here. You can insert SIM card, but you may also skip this part and activate your device without the SIM card. And now you can set the internet connection. So let me do it. Let me use the Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but the internet access enables some interesting features. So let me connect my device to my Wi-Fi. The device is connected. Let's go next. Right here. And now you have to decide either you would like to copy your data from the iPhone or some other Android device, or you would like to just set up device as a new. So in my case, let me set up my LG as a new. Let me have a fresh start. You have to wait a few seconds. And now you can sign in into the Google account, so you can connect your Google account to your phone. It's not necessary, but it also enables some interesting features, so let me do it. And you can do it in two ways. You can choose more options and create a new account, or you can use an existing one. So in my case, let me use an existing one. Let's input the email. Let's go next. Now it's time to enter the password. Alright, let's choose next right here. And here, if everything is alright, let's accept the terms of services and privacy policy. So let's choose I agree. Here we've got date and time settings. If everything is alright, let's just simply go next right here. You can set a screen lock, or you can do it later in settings. So let me choose not now. For now, let me do it later. Choose skip anyway. Here we've got some Google services. For example, you can enable or disable automatically backup device data. You may use Google's locations to help determine your location. You may also improve location accuracy and help improve your Android experience. In my case, let me leave all of these features enabled, and let's just simply go next. The device is adding the finishing touches. You have to agree to the following legal documents. Let me just to agree to the necessary one, and let's go next. Here you've got the information about smart forward. Well, let me tap done. And that's it. As you can see, the home screen just pops up, so it means that the setup process is completed. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.